Okay, so here's a quick walkthrough of my Sinoscale's magnetic linear encoder install. You can see just underneath this little splash guard here, I've got the magnetic strip, and it has a nickel cover plate on it which stops just swarf sticking to it. You do get some magnetic field leaking out through the top. So this, if you can imagine, there's a stainless steel backplate, the magnetic encoder strip, and then a nickel front plate, so the edges are exposed. And I did, when I was drilling into the cast iron here to mount this thing, I saw some build up on that. But anyway, this cover strip over the top should stop most of the stuff getting building up there, and it'll also stop things dropping down between the encoder and the the strip and the read head. It seems very insensitive to alignment, which is great. Where the strip transitions from this cast iron piece to this sort of flimsy cover plate, it actually moves back about 0.5 millimeter there, and I see no error in the readings as we go past that point there. I've measured it all out with some digital verniers, and digital verniers are good enough for this machine. But look, in practice, I've got it plugged into my Shimatech DRO. I'll power that up. Here we zero that, and I'll just crank that, and you can sort of see it works. Of course, the display doesn't really flicker like that. Just the beat frequency between the camera frame rate and the update rate on the display. Update seems nice and quick. We've actually got some servo drives at work that have that option for a second encoder on them. We might try using these long linear encoders to close the loop in absolute terms on a servo drive. The reason for that is you can get this strip here in arbitrarily long lengths. You can get it in meters. Yeah, a little bit of strain relief on the cables, but it came out pretty good, I reckon. You can get these, are made by Sino. You can get them all over Alibaba, AliExpress, and a couple $100. Probably about the same as a glass scale, realistically. But what's nice about it, of course, is that it only takes up a fraction of a millimeter there, and it's robust. And so now when I move my tailstock in, I can get it. I'll try and get it from this angle. I can get it nice and tight up against that. Whereas if I had glass scales in there, it would cost me an inch or more of extra room. So I'm pretty happy with it.